YouTube tags. Now, in this quick next video, I'm going to show you how and where to get quality tags for free and easily for your YouTube videos. Tags are so important. Their importance can never be over exaggerated, and tags help you to rank your videos and get those important viewership. Now, first things first, you need one tool to do this, and that tool is called VIdIQ. Okay, I'm going to link it below so that you can download it. It's a Chrome extension which you're going to install in your Chrome, and it's going to come to your Chrome browser. Okay. So now we're on YouTube, and let me just show you where my VidIQ is. So here is my VidIQ icon right here. In fact, the whole of this is my VidIQ icon because it's a Chrome extension. Anytime I'm on YouTube, it activates itself. Okay. So let's say, for example, you are in the hoodie for men niche. Okay, so you want to know which tags am I going to use for your video about hoodies for men. Okay, so of course I'm going to search for top videos which are ranking for hoodies. Okay, so these are the top videos ranking for hoodies. Now, if these videos are ranking, then it obviously means they are doing something right. It also means that their tags are right and their tags are working. So for me, I'll want to copy those tags exactly the way they are. The question is, how do I get those tags that they have used? So simple. Once you've gotten or installed your VidIQ Chrome extension, just open these videos. So I'm going to open maybe the first 3 or the first 5. Okay, so you can open the first 5 videos. If the first 5 videos are the ones which are doing the best, I want to copy their video tags. I don't want to think so much. I don't want to research about these video tags. I just want to copy right from the ones which are already working. Okay, like piggyback. So this is the first video that's ranking on, it's ranking on hoodies for men. Okay, so my VidIQ already has given me here all that entails this particular video. Now this is an ad, so sort of exactly the video, but so I click next here is going to be the video about best hoodies. So it gives you the thumbnail first here, and then if you scroll down, it gives you some statistics there. But remember, our interest is on the video tags. So I'm just going to scroll down, and here we go, video tags. So now this tool, Chrome extension called VidIQ, gives you all the tags that this video has used that is enabling it to rank. Now you want to copy these video tags exactly the way they are. Okay. Now you don't have to copy all of them, depending on how of course you have to be creative as possible when you're doing these video tags. Now you want to do this to all the top 5 videos and then come up with, from the collections of video tags you'll have, trim it down to the maximum that YouTube allows you to upload on your video. You're uploading your videos on YouTube. So that's the quickest and easiest way to get quality tags without thinking or doing a lot of research. Okay. Now, of course, the first thing first, you have to upload the VidIQ Chrome extension and then go to the first 5 videos or whatever video you are, the video topic you're talking about. Scroll down here from that video and you'll get all the necessary tags that is going to help you rank your video. Now, I hope you've gotten value, and if you have, please hit the subscribe button and comment with the one that you have gotten some value. Thank you so much for viewing this video, and see you in the next video.